Hi there, and for this video, we're going to show you how to use the Base Network for Coinbase. So right now we're here on the Coinbase Exchange homepage, but what we actually need to do is to have a Coinbase wallet. Now we have a separate video on how to make that, and the thing is, aside from just having the wallet, we need the Coinbase Wallet extension. But the wallet itself is right here. You click the dots icon here over at the top right beside your profile, and you can see wallet. If you click on that, it will take you to this page, the Coinbase Wallet for PC. Now we have a mobile version, but what we actually need is the Coinbase Wallet extension. And you can type it on Google. In my case, I have it in the Chrome web store. I already have it installed, but this button here would say add to Chrome instead of remove to Chrome if you don't have it yet. Once you add that, you'll be able to see it here on the plugins right beside the profile after the URL bar. So here it is, Coinbase Wallet extension. This is what it would look like. It will look the same as the Coinbase wallet on mobile. Now, first off, just to be clear, you'll have to buy Ethereum, and in this case, you can either transfer from another wallet, but for this video, if you have your assets on Coinbase Exchange, simply add crypto with Coinbase on RAM. Once you click this, simply search for Ethereum. Of course, you can only do this if you have a payment method. If I click on this, it will show me that I can use these main methods or Ethereum on my Coinbase. But in my case, let's say you're going to buy Ethereum, and once you confirm the send, money from your Coinbase account will immediately be transferred to your wallet over here at Assets. Otherwise, you can also see it from the extension itself, and you would see it here. Now go to a site called CoinMarketCap, and what we're going to do here is to scroll down over to filters right here on our right hand side. Click on filters, and on the chain you can either scroll down, but it's much faster if you just type base, and we're going to see base ecosystem. Click on that, click apply. Now we're going to see all the different currencies that go through with a base ecosystem. Of course, USDC is on top, that is a stable coin, but there's a lot here that you can choose from. Now let's say I'm going to pick Shiba Inu. Once you click on that, you have to look over here to your left hand side down at contracts. You simply copy this address by clicking on it, and then we have to go to another site called Uniswap, and by default it is Ethereum. Simply copy the contract and you'll see the token here. Click on that, and you might be wondering, how does this go to your wallet? Well, over here at the top right, or even when you click get started, you have the option here, connect wallet, and then it will detect our Coinbase wallet extension here. So you can simply click on that and connect that. Once that's done, you can now sell your Ethereum for the tokens that you can find on the Base Network. Now, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, maybe subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.